May the force be with you, Baby Yoda. Please welcome in Jedi action!
Start by pumping up your 260 lime green balloon and tie a knot. Start with a pinch twist, a 5cm bubble, and a 7cm bubble, and tie it back to the pinch twist. This makes one ear. Make sure to hide the knot of the pinch twist. Now to make the head. Now make an 8cm bubble and a pinch twist. Now we're going to make the other ear, a 5cm bubble and a 7cm bubble back to the pinch twist. Now we have 2 ears. Now let's make the head. Make 3 8cm bubbles to and from the pinch twists. Make sure you have 4 8cm bubbles in total. Now make 3 3cm bubbles and tie it to the other pinch twist on the other side. Now take the middle 3cm bubble and turn it into a pinch twist, so it makes a neck. You can now cut the rest of your lime green balloon off and tie a knot. Make sure to hide that knot. Now pump up your 160 lime green balloon and tie a knot. Also pump up your black 160 balloon and also tie a knot. Tie the black and green balloon together by the ends. We're going to make its eyes. Tie these 2 balloons onto one of the ears. Using the green balloon, make a 4cm bubble. Then using the black balloon, make a 4cm bubble. Using the green balloon, make 3 small pinch twists. This makes the nose. Now, using the green balloon, make another 4cm bubble. As long as with the black, make a 4cm bubble. This makes the other eye. Tie these 2 balloons to the other ear. You can pop the rest of the black balloon off and tie a knot. Hide that knot inside the ear. Now using the green balloon, make a 4cm bubble to finish the eyes, and tie it into the middle pinch twists. Make one more 4cm bubble and tie it into the ear. So now you have the top and the bottom of the eyes. Put one of the pinch twists in the middle and the other 2 underneath the eye. So it makes a nose and lips. Now cut the rest of your green balloon off and make sure to save it. And tie a knot. Now pump up your 260 brown balloon and tie a knot. We're going to make its clothes. Start by an 8cm bubble to make one arm, and tie it into the little pinch twist underneath the head. Now make a 10cm bubble, and a pinch twist. This makes the bottom of the torso. Now make another 10cm bubble and tie it back up to the neck. Make another 10cm bubble, tie it to the pinch twist. And make one last 10cm bubble and tie it to the neck. And now you have a torso. Now to make its other arm, make an 8cm bubble. And cut the rest of your balloon off and tie a knot. Feel free to hide the pinch twist inside the body, but you don't have to if you don't want to. Now using that 160 lime green balloon that you saved, we're going to make its hands. So pump it up and tie a knot. Now make 2 small pinch twists. Followed by 3 2cm bubbles. This makes one hand. We're going to make another one, so cut off the rest of that balloon and tie a knot. Now to make the other hand, make, once again, 2 pinch twists. And make 3 2cm bubbles. And tie them back to the pinch twists. Pop off the rest of that balloon and tie a knot. Now attach your hands to the arms by using the excess tail of the arms and tying it into the hands. Now do the same to the other arm, so you have 2 hands and 2 arms. Now pump up your 160 blush balloon. And make 2 small pinch twists. We're going to make its sleeve band. So make a loop twist around the hand. Cut it off and tie a knot so we can make the other one. So make 2 pinch twists. Don't forget to tie the knot on the first sleeve band you made. Now we're going to make the other sleeve band by making another loop twist around the wrist. Now you can cut off the rest of that balloon, but make sure to save it. And tie a knot on both the balloon and the sleeve band. You can open up the torso and put the arms into it, so the arms aren't flapping out. Now to make its collar, now make 2 pinch twists with the blush balloon. Hide the knot if you need to. And make one big loop twist around the neck. You can use the end of the balloon to make a bubble to tie off the loop twist, or you can pop it off. In this case, we have 3 little bubbles at the back of its neck. And the twisting part is done. Feel free to hide the pinch twist of the wristband to the back. Now onto the drawing part. Using a green marker, draw on 2 eyebrows and some wrinkles on the head. And your Baby Yoda is complete.
Well, I have a Balloon Baby Yoda. If you like my channel, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.